Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of these iPhone hacks on my For You page on TikTok. So today I thought I would simply try them all out so we can find out if they actually work. Also, look what time it is right now. 7:15 in the morning. I'm literally so productive today. I love it. Sorry, I just had to brag about being up at 7. Now let's get started with the video. Alright, I'm not gonna put the TikToks here just because I don't know who's gonna copyright me, but I'm gonna tell you all the hacks. So the first one is a unlock my iPhone command. Alright, so we'll go into settings and then accessibility and then voice control. We're gonna do customize commands and create a new command. So you're just gonna set a phrase that you want to use for unlocking your iPhone. So it could be like, please unlock my iPhone, but obviously that's gonna be a very common phrase. So if anyone else says it, I don't know why they would though. But you could also have like a code word that you just know for unlocking your iPhone. I gotta stop speaking because it's writing down everything I say. Alright, and now you're gonna put it to run custom gesture under action, and pretty much you have to know like where your password is. They use nail polish, I just use little tape pieces. So pretty much now you're just gonna run a custom gesture and then tap on the screen where your password is. It doesn't work when you just have your phone like this, like you have to have the password page up. Please unlock my iPhone. So I mean, it works. It's kind of annoying that you have to have the password page up, but I guess like if you're having your phone laying down, you can just like swipe up, pull up the password page, and then do the command. I don't know what you will use it for really, but hey, the hack worked. Let's move on to the next one. So if you want to know where you've been a certain time and day, you can check it in location services. Alright, so you go into settings and then privacy. Press location services, and then you scroll down to the bottom and press system services, where it's gonna show significant locations. Okay, so it's supposed to show you like exactly the days and times you've been somewhere, but I can only see like a summary. Maybe I don't have like background location tracking on, but this hack definitely does seem to work. But let me know in the comments if this works for you. This next one is really cute actually. You're supposed to search for live wallpapers on TikTok, and it's gonna give you a bunch of different live wallpapers. This one's kind of scary. This is so scary. This one's so cute. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Press save live photo. So it's gonna convert it into a live photo, and it automatically saves to your device. And then you just go into settings and press wallpaper and change your wallpaper like normal. So I don't know if this actually works for both lock screen and home screen. We're just gonna do it for my lock screen. So it says press on the screen to see if this wallpaper animates. So it seems like it works. That is so stinking cute, but I'm obsessed. Oh, I'm definitely gonna do this with my dog. That would be such a cute idea. You could do this, I think, with any picture. You could be really creative with this. You could do one with your pet, partner, friend, like anything. Alright, so this next hack is to get rid of the search bar. See, you have like this search bar. At least I accidentally start it up a lot of times. Like I'm just gonna do something on my phone and it just like swipes up. So if you want to get rid of that, because I feel like you don't really use it a lot, at least you just go into Face ID and settings, type in your password, and then scroll down to allow access when locked, and it says today view and search. So if you uncheck that, it works when you don't have your iPhone unlocked, but as soon as you have it unlocked by Face ID, it's gonna show the search bar. But that is actually a really good thing, because I feel like I don't really know if this shows any personal information, but I guess it's good if you don't want anyone like seeing what you have on your phone. This next one actually seems really cool. I actually didn't know about it. So pretty much you can make the Apple logo like a button, I guess you could say, but it doesn't matter if you press the Apple logo or if you just press the back like anywhere. So if you go into settings and then accessibility and press touch, and scroll down to the bottom. You have a back tap. You press double tap. You could also do triple tap, but I feel like that's a little too much. So here you're gonna choose a command for it when you double tap the back. App switcher, camera, flashlight. So if you have like an app you frequently use. So I'm gonna do a screenshot because I feel like that would be really useful. Oh, it actually works with the case on. And it's gonna do a screenshot. That is actually a really good hack, and I didn't know about this one. Let's see what other commands you can do. You can do like volume up, volume down. You have like a lot of choices. You have shortcuts to a bunch of different apps. You can do like any app pretty much. So I definitely like that one. And this next one is one I think everyone should know about because it's so easy and it makes your life so much easier. If you have a bunch of Safari tabs open. Oh, by the way guys, this is my Amazon storefront. Definitely go check it out. I just started up, but I'm gonna put all my favorite products that I use every day on here. Anyways, so if you press this done, you can close all tabs in one click. A few days ago, I had like 50 tabs open and I didn't know about this, so I literally pressed every single tab. It just took a while. So this is definitely gonna be an easier way to close all the tabs, and it's just something all of you should know. So now you know. Okay, this one I'm not so sure about. So pretty much you can make your iPhone motion smoother. So when you swipe, it's gonna be a lot smoother. So we're gonna go into settings again and accessibility, and then go to motion, press reduce motion. What? That is so weird. When you swipe, it's just so much smoother. What? This is so weird. I don't know if I like it or not. It kind of stresses me out because I'm used to doing everything so quickly on my iPhone. But I think the purpose of this is to reduce like if your iPhone is lagging and save battery. I don't know how it does that really. If you have a very laggy iPhone, I guess it's worth a try. Alright, there are so many more hacks, but I think I'm gonna make a part 2. But I definitely hope you found at least one hack you didn't know about. Also, I'm obsessed with this wallpaper now. Let me know in comments if you tried any of these hacks and what you think about them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.